咱的副總統蕭美琴拜訪帛琉，帛琉總統惠恕仁邀請伊做伙去告別啊看風景。其實觀光業是帛琉真重要的經濟來源，不過中國卻是稱在替旅遊業甲帛琉咧施壓。那惠恕仁是講，因袂因為中國施壓，就來改變甲台灣的關係。
副總統蕭美琴甲帛琉總統惠恕仁最近創入去海底，欣賞色彩繽紛的珊瑚甲海龜最近受水，兩個人也佇湖頂過船。蕭美琴也趁機會學開船。
We're very fortunate because Vice President has been to Palau before.
18 years ago.
18 years ago. So we wanted to go some places she hasn't been before. We wanted to go there because I knew we would be able to see turtles. And did we see any turtles, Vice President?
Oh, lots of them.
Lots of turtles.
Yeah, lots
today.
of turtles today.
Lots of turtles, and we even saw
and
a leopard
shark.
帛琉南部適合洛克群島特殊的地形甲自然景觀，被列入聯合國教科文組織世界遺產，有人講是上帝水族箱。惠恕仁親自帶蕭美琴來，展現雙方深化邦誼甲推動永續觀光的共同環境。
I can see why President Whips encourages visitors to stay longer. We are all island societies, and we're very open to the ocean, and the ocean makes us comfortable and relaxed.
觀光業是帛琉上重要的經濟來源，相關產業佔 GDP 差不多50%。中共自2017年把旅遊業當作政治武器，對帛琉施加壓力，想要影響台灣甲帛琉的邦交。惠恕仁捌幾度便講，帛琉絕對袂改變甲台灣的關係。蕭美琴也去貝里琉洲參訪離人的規定，在博物館簽名鋪頂頭寫着“銘記和平”，並且給帛琉前總統中正國祥的墓園致意，紀念台灣甲帛琉佇咧伊任內建交，延續到即馬26年的友誼。記者綜合報道。